Alright, we're back. Got it all done. Got all the coating, ceramic coating done. Did the clay bar on it. Did the whole thing. Turned out real good. It's yellow. That cleaned up pretty good. Wasn't too bad. We just brightened her up a little bit. Brought the color out for sure. It's a little bit brighter. I think she'll be happy. We've been talking about it on and off, and we just finally came to the conclusion: just do it and let's get it done. Coat it and let's get it done. Turned out pretty good. Wish the sun was out. Never fails. Inside wasn't too bad, just freshened it up a little bit. Pretty nice. 2010. It's brand new again. Turned out pretty good. Call them up, tell them it's done, and go get it. Alright. Coffee and cars this weekend, and got some other stuff going on this weekend. Try to get some video of some of it. But Father's Day weekend, we'll see what happens. Alright, talk to you guys later.